Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I just wanted to give you an update on Litecoin, kind of show you what I've been looking at. Currently, right now, we got a sticker price of about $190. And guys, the main thing I've been looking at here and I've been following, and this has been for quite a while now, is this large symmetrical triangle or this bull pennant that you've been seeing. And what you've been seeing on this lower trend line, you see the higher lows right here. Higher lows, higher lows. We just formed a higher low. And you see right here, guys, we broke out of our downtrend. And typically when that happens, you could be looking at a breakout, which we already had a small one. So let's just put that there, guys, just like that. Okay, and as you can see here, we had these lower highs that were going down. And right there we had the breakout. Once we went out of that downtrend, we broke up. Okay, so I wanted you guys to look at that. And also, guys, what you're seeing now is the symmetrical triangle playing out, and we are about at the apex here. Typically, what you'll see is a breakout, if it's going to be a breakout or a breakdown, at about 80% of the overall apex here. So this is 100% of the apex, and right here, guys, we're getting pretty darn close. We're in the 70s. And what a lot of people are seeing, too, is that once Litecoin punches through this line right here, from this downtrend here, or I'm sorry, from this upper trend line, if we break through that, it's going to run pretty hard. And guys, some of the next support lines, or I'm sorry, resistance lines that you'll see, I think a big one would come about right here around 260. That would be a big one. I'm not thinking the 230 or so around here, because I feel like the power coming out of here depends on the volume that we see, but the power coming out of here could most likely get us through that. So the next big one to break would be around 260. We'll have a little one here around 280. This could even be a bump there around 307. Then we'll go all-time highs, and I'm going off closes here, guys, just to let you know, not the wicks. So 357, and then past that, guys, we are into a full-blown blue sky breakout. So it just depends on the amount of volume when we come out of here. Are we going to come up to 230 and then bounce back down and test this line right here? You know, sometimes you come up and then you come back down, test again, or is this going to be a full-blown breakout like you saw here? Okay, when all that volume came in. And once we continue to get to this point here, there might be a ton of volume and institutional investors come in that could just blow the top off this, and we could run really hard. So I want you guys to really keep your eye on that, kind of look at those resistance points that are overhead, and we're going to see if this breaks out or if it's going to break down and test this again before it breaks out. But in my humble opinion, I feel like this is going to be a breakout. We're getting to this point here that there's so much pressure from this downward and this upward. Okay, so these lower, right here, lower highs that you're seeing, or I'm sorry, higher lows, guys, higher lows that you're seeing right along here. Okay, so that's a great sign. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. I wanted to bring it to you, and we'll check some other things later on in the day, but we obviously want to continue to keep seeing that volume go up. And guys, let's check the candle real quick, see what it's looking like at least. Okay. So guys, on this candle here, you can see that the bears pushed us down a little bit. We bought back up, and then the bears pushed us back down a little bit more right here. So we're going to see what this next candle brings. Obviously, I'd like to see us continue to go up here, close a little bit higher. But guys, that's what we're looking at. So just keep an eye on this. And God bless you all, and take care. Have a wonderful day.